Hey there, YOGATXers. So glad to have you back on the mat with me today in the chilly Santa Cruz winter in this wonderful, wonderful Japanese tea house that I feel so grateful and blessed to be able to practice in. So today's practice is going to begin with the breath of joy. I'm going to demonstrate it first, and then you can come into it with me. I was thinking of theming our practice this way to really get into our joy. We are in uncertain times, so no matter if you're joyous today, the world globally is in a time of uncertainty, and we are moving through this kind of transposition from the butterfly, the caterpillar into the cocoon through to the butterfly. And so hopefully, breath of joy will help us to get some of that energy moving through our bodies before we begin our practice. The way that it's going to look is 3 small inhalations, 3 bursts of inhalation, and then 1 big exhalation. So it'll go, yeah, so inhale, 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 exhale. So like that. All right. So if you mess up, don't worry about it. Just let yourself breathe. 3 inhalations, 1 exhalation, and I'll let you know when the last round is, and then we'll just forward fold. So we're just getting that energy moving through the body. So whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening for you, I'm sure you've got stuff that you just want to slough off. It's like that energetic shedding of getting it out and off. All right? So ground down through the feet. Keep the feet about hip width distance apart, hands alongside the body. And let's just take a few inhales first to get us there. So inhale, reach up. And exhale, slowly hands to heart center. So just grounding ourselves first. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, reach. And exhale, hands to heart center. All right, so we're ready now. Okay, here we go. Last. Fold forward. All right, let the head drop in. Take the feet wider apart, bend the knees, grab opposite elbows, and just fall in. So you'll feel that energy moving through the body. Hopefully a warmth is coming in. And just allow yourself to be supported here. Feel the heartbeat racing. It feels so good to feel alive. Let whatever wants to come through, tears, laughter, frustration, everything is invited. Take an inhale, come up halfway, hands to shins. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway, hands to shins. Exhale, forward. Fold. Inhale, halfway. And exhale, fold. Step the right foot to the back of the mat. Right knee down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step back to a plank. Lower halfway, elbows in by the ribs. Inhale forward to the tops of the feet. Open the heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. Yeah, we're getting right into it. Inhale, right foot forward, left knee down. Reach up. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step forward, fold. Inhale, halfway, hands to shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. Hands alongside the body. So Surya Namaskar A, getting us nice and warm. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down, bend the knees, fold in. Inhale, come up halfway, hands to shins. Exhale, plant the hands, send the left foot to the back of the mat, left knee down, reach up. Exhale, hands to the earth, step back, plank, lower halfway. Elbows in, inhale forward to the tops of the feet, open the heart space, thighs lifted. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot forward, right knee down, reach up. Exhale, hands to the earth, step forward, fold. Inhale, halfway, hands to shins. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Hands alongside the body. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, bow down. Inhale, up halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, send the right foot back, right knee down. We're going to add on. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Twist to the left. Right elbow outside the left thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to the earth. Step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, forward to plank. Exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, forward, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Step the right foot forward, inhale. Left knee down, reach up. Inhale here. Exhale, hands to heart, twist to the right, left elbow outside the right thigh. Look over the right shoulder, inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, fold forward. Step the left foot forward. Inhale, up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise to standing, reach up. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach. And exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, left foot back, left knee down. Reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Twist to the right, left elbow outside the right thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the hips back towards the left heel, hands to the earth, right toes point up, fold over the right shin. Inhale, bend into the right knee. And exhale, step back, plank, lower halfway. Inhale, forward, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot forward, right knee down, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart, twist to the left, right elbow outside the left thigh. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hips to right heel, fold in over the left toes. Bring the forehead towards the left shin. Inhale, bend the left knee, reach forward, reach up. Exhale, hands to the earth, forward fold. Inhale, up halfway. And exhale, fold. Inhale, rise up, reach up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Hands alongside the body. Ground down for a moment now that we're nice and warm. Find a focal point, look forward. Ground down through the feet. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, bow down. Inhale, up halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to a plank position and pause. Grounding down through the palms, pull the belly in, slight rounding of the upper back. So we're building some heat now. We've been moving a bit, but let ourselves stay strong here in the mind and in the body. Take an inhale. Now keep the toes tucked. On the exhale, let the hips drop, look forward. So we're on the tiptoes. Yeah, take an inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Press back. Now we're gonna do that again. Inhale, slide forward to plank. Lower the hips, open the chest. Keep onto the tiptoes. Exhale, pull the belly up and back, downward facing dog. Again, inhale forward, slinking forward, let the hips drop, open the chest. Exhale, use the core first, draw the hips back and up. Let the head drop in, downward facing dog. Very good. Press down through the feet. Inhale, lift the right leg up behind you. Bend the right knee, stack the right hip open over the left. Now you can stay here or bring the right foot down behind you. Right arm reaching forward, flipping your dog here. Left hand stays planted, knees parallel. Take an inhale. And exhale, bring the right hand down, right foot back to the earth, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. And exhale, bend the left knee, stack the left hip open over the right. Take an inhale. And exhale, bring the left foot down, stretch the left arm forward, nice open chest. Take an inhale. And exhale, come back, downward facing dog. Bring the knees down to the earth, sink the hips towards the heels, child's pose, forehead to the earth. And walk the hands over towards the right, chest laying over the right thigh, nice and long through the left side body. And slowly come back through center, move over towards the left. Nice and long through the right side body. And come back through center. Walk the hands back up towards the knees. Come to sitting on the heels as we close our short practice here. Hands resting on the thighs, face up or down. Bring one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly, feeling into the rise and fall here. And just acknowledging where you're at today. Celebrating showing up for self. Take a deep breath in, deep sigh out. Bring hands together at heart center, bowing head to heart. We honor ourselves, cherish ourselves, nurture ourselves, and honor and cherish and nurture other. Namaste, yogis. So thank you guys for sharing this short but sweet practice with me today. I hope that you're feeling more easeful in your body and in your mind. You can find me down below in all of the places. Reach out and you can check out www.echoflowyoga.com for any upcoming retreats and trainings. Sending you lots of love out in the world. Mwah.